The guests that have come to my events, it's always fun to watch their first reaction when they come through these glass doors. So they're like, whoa, I would have never guessed this was here. And I think that's like my favorite moment because you walk in the space, it's just cool. West 48 has been pretty great. I've worked with the crew there for 3 or 4 years, and we've done a number of different things, which is probably my favorite. I hosted in-person events, so you can imagine like mini conferences where I needed a stage and I needed tables, and the team has been great about how can I reserve the space just for that. Ironically, I've also been here for a number of other events that friends have hosted. So I've seen smaller workshops. I've had friends who have used their podcast rooms. It's a really amazing space if you're looking for different, almost scenery where, we've got the brown wall and then we've got the stage. They've got some really neat swings. The versatility factor has been amazing. One of my favorite things, first off, is the staff. I think from, someone being able to say, this is my idea, can we make it happen? The staff here is always like, yeah, we can figure that out. And I think from someone who's maybe evolving over time, at first I needed this, but now I need that. That's been so good. One of my other favorite things is probably the stage setup. They can, tinker with the lighting, and I can have a slideshow. I can have a podium. Oh, just kidding, I don't need a podium. Now I need a hand mic. Oh, just kidding, I need a lapel. They've got some really great versatility within that to really capture different moments depending on the day or the story I'm telling. That's been pretty amazing. And then I think it's also just been a really nice, almost mood set for different venues. I've had conferences where I've had people sitting in comfy chairs and at desks and in the beanbags. So I think it really is just like this hidden gem that you would never know it's here from the street. And then you walk in and you're like, oh, this is cool. Very cool.